Hey everyone, it's Phoebe from Field and Forest Products, and today we are going to be talking about growing almond agaricus or almond portobello in flower pots. Almond agaricus are summer fruiting mushrooms that can start producing in as little as 3 weeks after planting, which means you can plant them almost all summer long. One of our favorite ways to plant the almond agaricus is to plant it in flower pots with other flowers and vegetables. You can also plant this without the additional plants, but having that extra greenery really helps lock in some humidity around the developing mushrooms, and the watering schedule to keep your plants happy also keeps the mushroom mycelium healthy and ready to produce mushrooms. Here's how we do it. The trick is to mix up a substrate that is great both for plants and almond agaricus alike. The perfect mix is 1/3 potting soil, 1/3 garden soil, and 1/3 compost. We like to plant these into a 16 to 20 inch diameter pot with a half a bag of almond agaricus sawdust spawn per pot. Start by mixing equal parts of your 3 ingredients into your pot, filling the pot halfway. The next step is to add the almond agaricus sawdust spawn. Remember, we are only using half of one of these bags per pot. Half of the bag, and divide it amongst your 3 pots. Crumble the spawn into the substrate and mix it up with your hands. Add your soil spawn mix into your pot. Mix the 3 together again, trying to only mix the top half of the pot. Final step is to plant your pot with your plant of choice. Today, we're just planting a cluster of peppermint into our pot. Keep your pot regularly watered, and within 3 weeks, you should see mycelium as well as some pins start to form. Once you see your pins, keep an eye on the pot regularly as they will grow from this to this in just a matter of days.